See you in a bit, babe. Okay. Yep. Bye, honey.
What's it doing?
It's cool. It's like courting her.
What is it courting?
Like, because they want to have a baby.
Like taking her out for fucking dinner.
It's like doing a dance for her. That is cool.
Where's the girl?
She must be inside.
I'm gonna try and get her. Hi, where's your girlfriend? She's in the
Oh
hole.
my god, Jerry, that was adorable.
I can't get her. How do I zoom on this thing? Alright, you win. You can have her. Oh wait, that's a chipmunk.
Huh?
The chipmunk's in the hole.
No, sir.
You can't do that.
Maybe trying to scare it.
Oh, because it has the eggs.
Are you
That's
sure
a
it's a
chipmunk. Look, it's nose. That's not a bird. Don't open the window. You'll freak out. Oh, wait, there's like a leaf in the middle. Oh, what's on the window? It's like poop. Dad, look at that. That's a chipmunk in the hole, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's your friend. Are they both trying to?
I don't know.
Look at the chipmunk. He's like, what's this thing doing?
Well, that'll scare them.
What's he doing?
I have no idea.
Uh-oh. Oh my god. Don't go in there. Don't get eaten. Look at him. He's like, I can't see you.
The chipmunk's still in
That's
it?
what it is.
Yeah.
He's mad because the chipmunk is inside their nest.
Oh.
Which they don't realize it was the chipmunk's nest first.
Uh-oh. Dad, what are you doing? You
He's
almost
going to help
scared the
them.
birds.
Because he's having a heart attack because the chipmunk's going to be working them.
Yeah, but what if they attack him?
They might.
Birds usually attack for their eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Right, now he's going to have a conversation with them.
So he's going to go bang on the thing and scare the chipmunk out.
Not working. It's not working. It's not working.
Isn't it funny, though, that he would go out there and do that?
Don't break the egg. What's the birds just come flying out of? Does he know what's going to come out?
You still in it?
Yeah. Did you see him come out?
I'll open the window now so we can... These don't open from